In this video, I'm going to explain how line twisting happens when you spool in an SMB and how to minimize it. When you deploy an SMB and you start to spool the line in, line twisting will invariably happen. But why does it happen? It happens because the SMB cannot spin in time to match the spooling or the twisting of your line. Because of the size of the SMB, it takes a lot more turns to generate enough twisting tension in the line to cause the SMB to start spinning, by which time your line will already be twisted in the spool. Some people spool the line in this way. Some do it this way. And some will do it this way. Well, all this will not stop your line from twisting, because at the end, always remember that your SMB does not react in time to counter that twisting by spinning on its axis. Whether you want to spool the line around the SMB or to spool the SMB around the line, the solution is to spool it a few times and then twist it and spool it a few times, and you keep doing that, so there's twisting and untwisting and twisting and untwisting happening in the spool itself. Another solution I find very useful is to attach a fishing swivel at the end where the SMB connects to the line. So it takes fewer turns of the spool, fewer turns of the line around the spool before the swivel starts reacting by spinning on its axis. So you do not have to wait for the SMB to start spinning to counter the twist. The fishing swivel will do the job for you. I hope this answers your question as to what is the best practice or best method to spool in a line to prevent twisting. Well, to end the video, I will talk about what happens when you are spooling in a line and you accidentally drop the spool. So let's say we accidentally drop the spool as we are spooling the line in. If you pull the spool up, the line will start floating around you, and it forms an entanglement hazard, and this can increase diver anxiety. The solution is, when you drop the spool, quickly hold on to the line and attach a double ender between your finger and the SMB. So the double ender will form a counterweight. As you pull the spool up, the double ender will fall to keep the line straight and prevent the excess line from floating around you. So once the spool is in your hand, you can now spool the line in until you reach the double ender. So I hope this video helps you answer a few questions that you may have. So until the next time, this is Arthur and I'm signing off.